57 divided by 4 using partial quotient. Put your 4 on the outside, your 57 on the inside, and use your multiplication facts if you need them. We're also going to write out our steps. Does McDonald's serve real cheese? Divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. So let's start with our first step of dividing in the tens place. If we have 5 pens and we're dividing them between 4 people, everyone would get 1 pen because we skip counted 1 time. But that 1 is really worth 10, which is important when we go to multiply, because 10 times 4 is 40. Then let's subtract. 57 minus 40 is 17. We're going to repeat the same process with our next place value. Now we're in the ones place, but we have to use those leftover tens. So what's the closest we can get to 17 without going over? Yes, that would be 16. I got that by multiplying 4 times 4, which gave me 16. Then I'll subtract. 17 minus 16 is 1. Do we have any place values left to repeat with? Nope. So let's check. Is 1 smaller than 4? Sure is, so that's our remainder. We find our answer by looking at our place values. We have a 1 plus a 4, well, a 10 plus a 4, which would give us 14 with a remainder of 1.